Welcome to our video showcasing the closed deck 3 runners plastic pallet. It features 3 runners on the bottom that provides superior support and stability, making it easy to transport goods with a forklift or pallet jack. The closed deck design provides a smooth, easy-to-clean surface that prevents small items from falling through the gaps. And because it's made from high-quality plastic, it's resistant to weather, chemicals, and pests, ensuring a long lifespan and low maintenance costs. The closed deck 3 runners plastic pallets are the perfect solution for warehouses looking to optimize their operations. They're lightweight and heavy-duty, making it easy to store and transport a variety of items without worrying about damage or safety hazards. Combined with forklifts, plastic pallets make it easy to move goods around the warehouse quickly and efficiently. With its durable design and versatile applications, it's sure to be a valuable asset to any business.